I will call you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and look at how to return array from functions. So return array from functions is also not allowed in C++, but with the use of a pointer, you can be able to return array by specifying the array index, the array name without an index. So this is just the same thing, or is applicable to the previous one we did, but here we're going to create a function, and let's create a function that returns a random number, and let's go ahead and create the function return random number. Alright, so I'm going to say int, and here we're going to use a pointer to generate that. I'm going to say random number random underscore number. Alright, so this is the function, and you go ahead and create, let's say, static int num, and we are going to generate 20 different random numbers plus semicolon. Then we are going to create the seed. We are going to set the seed, and that is srand, or say srand. But before then, if you're going to work with a random number, you go update and import, because when I create srand, it should be a function, okay? So go update and import hash include ctime. So hash include ctime. So if you come back to this place and say srand, you can be able to generate this, and then you go ahead and sign unsigned time. Unsigned time, and time is null. Alright, so go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. So now we have this right here, and want to create some random number. So what we need to do is go out there and initialize the variable called int x, and press semicolon. So to generate that, you go ahead and say for x equal to 0, semicolon, and x less than 20, semicolon, increment x. Alright, so num with a value of x is equal to friend so num x is equal to rand. Then we go ahead and create c out is equal to num with a value of x. Alright, so now we can go ahead and call this function, but you have to go ahead and return this because want to return random numbers, so return num. I'll put a semicolon, so you can go up here and copy this. Copy all this and press it right there and press semicolon at the end. Now we can go right inside this place and inside the main function and create an integer of int pointer. You're using p right here, so you can use any other one of your choice. 10 p. Let's go below this and say p is equal to random numbers and hit on semicolon. So let's go ahead and import one more of this, that is #include cs cst cstd library. Okay. So now we have all this in place. If we go ahead and run this code, you're going to generate these 20 random numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So if we run the game, it will generate another different random numbers. Can you see that? Now you can also come inside here and create that. Remember, we have the array right inside here. Okay, so you can return the array right inside the main function if you do ever want to return that. And for you to do that, let's go ahead and use a for loop to say for. Before that, go ahead and initialize the variable of int x and put a semicolon. So go ahead and say for x is equal to 0 per semicolon and x less than 10 per semicolon, then x increment. So you go ahead and print out cout. Let's print out cout and we say that cout x p print value of x and you close that. We close this right here. Then give her space. So come over to print out all this. Then you go ahead x p plus p plus x plus x npl, and if run this code, is going to return the whole. Is that it return everything? Alright. So let's spell that to be equal to 20. Let's spell that to be 10, 10. Let the array right here go down to 10 so that you can be able to enter everywhere. 10, 10, and run this code and check it out. So we check the arrays here. It's the same arrays that we return exactly the same random numbers and nothing changed. So it copied everything right here and returned that in the function that is giving. I hope that is cool. Alright, so the code is just over before you. Pull it down on your own system and play around with it. Check it out. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.